Error in message stream in ChatGPT. So if you're getting that kind of error whenever you're using ChatGPT, there could be various reasons for the error. The first thing is that if you're giving ChatGPT too many prompts at once, then that is when ChatGPT can fail. So in that case, you can just try to refresh the chat or completely start a new chat by going to the new chat menu from the top left and begin giving it a new prompt and restarting it over again. The second thing that could be happening is if too many people are logged into your ChatGPT account. So you want to just click on your profile from the top right hand side, then simply go to the option called settings, as you can see there. Then on the left hand side, you can see the option security. Just click on it. Then go to the option log out all devices and log everybody out of your account. Last but not the least, this could be happening especially if you're using a browser that too many cache files are being generated. So you want to clear the cache files of your browser. Just click the three dots icon next to your browser and look for its settings. Like in the case of Google Chrome, I can go to the option privacy and security. Then I can go to delete browsing data, go to advanced, select all time, then select cache images and files. You can choose to check or uncheck the other ones. I personally just do this for images and cache files. Then I click the delete data button. Then after that, just refresh your ChatGPT again and that should help you solve the problem. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.